Okay, hey everyone, my name is Caitlin DiPiazza and I am Adobe Student Ambassador here at the University of Alabama, and today I just want to show you guys how to multicam edit. So multicam editing is pretty easy, honestly, and it's quick to do. Basically, this is used when you want to sync one audio and you have multiple cameras and you just want to switch back and forth without doing all those little cuts and edits and the time taking of it. So at the end of it, we're going to have a final product that looks something like this, where we're cutting from multiple different angles in one video. Okay, yeah, so in the link you can find, in the description you can find the link of the different sources and videos. I'm only going to be using 3, so we're going to go ahead and drop this in there. And you want to make sure that however many you decide to use, you just highlight it and then right click on all of them. And you'll see right here it says create multicam source sequence, so we're going to go ahead and click that, making sure that the audio is selected so it synchronizes with the audio. And then you can see right here under more settings of audio, it says camera 1, all cameras, and switch audio. So camera 1 means that we're using the audio from one camera. If we select all cameras, it's going to be using all the audio at once, which is what we don't want to do. And switch audio means if you're switching from camera 1 to camera 2, it's also going to go ahead and switch the audio from camera 1 to 2. So we're going to make sure we're using just one clip of audio and it's from camera 1, and you go ahead and press OK. And you'll see it just created a little sequence for us, so we're going to go ahead and drop that into our timeline. So now we have the sequence and the timeline for multicam editing, and as you can see we're only getting one camera angle, so we're going to go ahead and click this toggle multicam view, and if you don't have it, you're going to click button editor and find it on this little layout and add it to your display. So once we click it, we have a split screen, and the right side over here shows us what we're doing, how it's going to look, and the left side shows us the different cameras. So if you have more, you're going to have different, if you're going to have more camera angles, you're going to have about 5 or 6. You'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to multicam edit, you're going to want to either click with your mouse 1 to 2, 2 to 3, or whatever you're selecting, or what I find is the easiest is just use your keypad and click 1, 2, and 3 when you're editing. And you're going to play from the beginning. All you have to do is just click play, select the clips as you want to go, and that's really it. I highly suggest, though, studying your sources before you start editing so you know what angles are what and who's singing during what parts. So once you think you're ready to start multicam editing, we're just going to press play, and I'm going to again use the keyboard. I'm going to click 1, 2, or 3 based on what angle I want during that clip, and it'll also highlight it here on the left side of the display so you know which one you're at. So let's go ahead and press play.
Yeah, take 2. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. You say I'm spending money on other women. You're taking money from someone else.
yeah, so that's basically it. If you went ahead and downloaded the additional clips, you had more to work with, which is always a good thing, but it can get confusing. So we're going to go ahead and play back. So I'm going to disable this toggle multicam view, and we can see what we just did.
Yeah, two. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. You say I'm spending money on other women. You're taking money from someone else.
And if you want to make additional slight edits, you can always go back here in your timeline and do that, or you can start over or in the middle, press play, select the camera you want, and that's basically it. It's honestly pretty easy, just definitely can get confusing, so take your time, know your sources, know what camera angles you're working with, and you'll catch the hang of it. So I highly suggest practicing some with the link in the description. You can download the sources, and go ahead and also click my additional Adobe link and follow me on my socials, and I really appreciate you guys watching, so thank you.